JLPT N5. Difficult for you? Did you remember about your childhood? How did you learn your own language? First, listening. Second, speaking. Third, reading and writing. Do you believe that your own learning method makes it difficult? Learn simply with me. We will learn not only JLPT exams, but also understanding. Only MCQ exam. No writing, no speaking. 単語、文法60、読解60、聴解60。If you want to pass, need to get in a total 80 points and each sections at least 19 points. Let's learn all together. How to learn easily. Learn like us.
これは何ですか？
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 本です。
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 それは何ですか？
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 それは
これは
何ですか？
時計です。
これは時計です。
時計です。
これは時計です。Each video practice for the 3 hours. How long you should learn? Need to study at least 80 videos. In total, 240 hours study. Up to 50 videos. These are the basic development. Look. From number 6 videos, there is a simple test. You can check by yourself. Every 10 videos, you can check. Number of vocabulary, number of kanji, number of grammar that you have already learned. At least we can learn from each video accordingly. Every 10 videos, 30 hours study. I will take an exam in online. If you complete, just text me in the comment section. I will provide you a question set with a time limit. You can see your ability. If you need any help, I will support you. We can talk in online to improve your skill. Only in the Saturday. We need to learn kanji 100, word 800, grammar 80. Learn with videos. Fun with learn. Bye-bye.